This is the craziest Toyota truck you have ever seen on the internet, because we are talking about a 12x12 beast that looks like it just rolled off a top secret military base. But this isn't just a rugged truck, it is a rolling fortress with a 5-star hotel built right into the chassis. And if you clicked on this video expecting something absolutely insane, then trust me, you are about to get exactly what you came for. So welcome back to VXN Cars, where we explore the most incredible machines that push the limits of what is humanly possible. And today we are diving deep into the Toyota Thunderbone, which is a 12-wheel motorhome that combines military-grade toughness with high-end luxury that you would usually only find in a penthouse suite. This isn't your average RV, designed for a weekend at a local campsite, because the Thunderbone is a rolling fortress engineered to take you to the most remote corners of the planet, while keeping you in absolute comfort. So let's start with that massive exterior, where the Thunderbone runs on a unique 12x12 setup featuring 6 giant wheels on each side, giving you a total of 12 contact points gripping the ground at all times. These are heavy-duty 44-inch off-road tires with aggressive tread patterns, specifically built to tackle deep mud, shifting sand, thick snow, and jagged rocks without ever breaking a sweat. While up front, you have got that bold Toyota grille, with the iconic logo sitting right in the center and the custom Thunderbone branding etched onto a reinforced steel bumper that comes equipped with a heavy-duty winch rated for over 80,000 pounds and bright red recovery hooks for those serious off-road recovery situations. To make this beast truly bulletproof, the entire body is wrapped in a multi-layered Kevlar-reinforced composite plating that can withstand extreme impacts and even light ballistic fire, because when you are miles away from civilization, safety is a top priority, and the exterior paint is a specialized pistoned Raptor liner that won't show a single mark, even if you are dragging the truck through thick desert brush or sharp mountain rocks. The lighting setup on this machine is truly next level, with a massive double-row LED light bar mounted on the roof, accompanied by bumper-mounted spotlights, fog lights, and high-intensity 36-degree side lights that can illuminate the entire wilderness like it is the middle of the day. So you never have to worry about arriving at your destination after dark or navigating a dangerous cliffside trail at night. Now let's step inside, because this is where things get really impressive, as you are greeted by a spacious living area featuring a premium Italian leather sectional sofa that wraps around the cabin, providing the perfect spot for the whole crew to relax after a long day of exploring. There are custom-built bunk beds with memory foam mattresses and high-quality bedding to ensure genuine comfort for families or groups traveling together, while the cabin features a massive panoramic thermal-insulated skylight that floods the interior with natural light during the day and offers a breathtaking view of the stars at night. The ambient smart LED lighting creates a warm and inviting atmosphere as soon as the sun goes down, and you can change the colors via a smartphone app to match your mood, while the dark reclaimed wood floors paired with a refined minimalist color scheme make the interior look and feel like a premium modern apartment rather than a vehicle. For the food lovers out there, the kitchen is a chef's dream and comes fully equipped with professional-grade induction cooktops, a high-end convection oven, and a full-size residential fridge to prepare real gourmet meals on the road. The perfect rig for long-term expeditions that last for months. And there is even a complete spa-like bathroom with a luxury rainfall shower area, a heated towel rack, and a porcelain toilet, so you can stay fresh and clean no matter how far off the grid you decide to go. To support all this luxury, the Thunderbone is equipped with a massive 10-kilowatt solar power system on the roof using high-efficiency monocrystalline panels and a huge lithium-ion battery bank that stores enough energy to run the dual zone air conditioning and all appliances for weeks without ever needing to start the engine. Plus, it carries over 300 gallons of fresh water with a multi-stage military-grade filtration system that includes UV sterilization, allowing you to pump water from any natural source and purify it instantly for drinking. When you climb into the driver's seat, you quickly realize that this is where you command the beast from a cockpit that feels more like a spaceship than a truck, because you are holding a custom-molded leather steering wheel with VXN Cars branding and multi-function controls that put every mechanical setting at your fingertips. In front of you is a 12-inch full digital instrument cluster showing your speed, RPM tire pressure, and vital engine health stats in a clean, easy to read display. While to your right, there is a massive 17-inch vertical touchscreen that handles all your satellite navigation, entertainment, climate control, and advanced vehicle telemetry. The seats are ventilated and heated, wrapped in premium black leather with contrasting orange diamond stitching, designed for maximum ergonomic support during those grueling 12-hour drives across the country, and the center console is packed with modern features like dual wireless phone, charging a sport mode selector for when you need full power, and dedicated drive mode buttons for every possible terrain, like deep sand, thick mud, heavy snow, and jagged rocks. You also have full control over the advanced central tire inflation system, which allows you to deflate or inflate all 12 tires simultaneously. From inside the cab to adjust for different surfaces, plus multiple high-definition thermal imaging. Camera views on that big touchscreen to help you navigate through dense fog or pitch-black forests with total ease. Under the hood, the Thunderbone has serious muscle powered by a massive 12-liter, heavy-duty turbo diesel engine delivering incredible torque, ranging from 1,000 to over 1,500 pound-feet, depending on your specific performance. Tune, which means you can climb near vertical mountain grades and power through deep river crossings without ever feeling underpowered or losing momentum. That 12x12 configuration isn't just for show, because 12 wheels provide incredible traction and distribute the 30-ton weight of the luxury cabin, perfectly allowing the Thunderbone to float over surfaces that would sink a regular motorhome instantly, like soft sand dunes or swampy marshlands. The suspension system is an independent air ride, set up with active dampening that can sense the terrain ahead and adjust the stiffness in milliseconds, capable of lifting the body by an additional 12 inches to clear massive obstacles while still providing a cloud-like stable ride on the highway. Let's talk about the price, because a machine this advanced doesn't come cheap with custom builds, starting at a staggering $700,000 and reaching well over $1.5 million for the fully armored and high luxury editions. But for the elite explorers who want the absolute best, there is simply no substitute for the Thunderbone. This is a machine built for the bold pioneers who want to explore the most remote and beautiful places on Earth, without sacrificing an ounce of luxury, because the Toyota Thunderbone is the ultimate base camp for families and outdoor enthusiasts who need a vehicle that can truly go anywhere and survive anything. Most RVs force you to choose between tough off-road capability and a comfortable living space, but the Thunderbone gives you both in one incredible package that serves as a rolling fortress, a mobile luxury apartment, and an unstoppable off-road machine, all wrapped into one legendary Toyota package. This beast proves that you don't have to leave civilization behind to find adventure. And if you are as obsessed with this machine as we are, then you need to join the VXN Cars community right now by hitting that subscribe button and ringing the notification bell so you never miss a look at the world's most insane vehicles. We want to hear from you in the comments down below, so tell us exactly where you would take this 12x12 beast on your first epic cross-country adventure. And make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you think the Thunderbone is the king of all motor. Thanks for watching our deep dive into this incredible machine, and make sure to click the video on your screen right now to see even more mind-blowing off-road builds, and we will see you in the next one from VXN Cars.